Okay, so this is going to be a 3-color print, a 4th of July lucky coin. This is just to demonstrate how easy it is on the Robo to do a 3-color or multicolor print. First thing I'm going to do is I need to put down a little hairspray on the bed. And I just use a plain piece of type paper to kind of cover up everything else I don't want the hairspray on. And what I've done is I've gone through in mattercontrol, done the layer view, generated the layers, and I have found out that these are the layers where I need to pause it. I need to do red and have it pause at layer 4 when I change to white, then I pause at layer 8, and then I change to the blue filament. So here we go. Red will just be standard red, white is a glow in the dark, and blue is just blue that I have. So it'll print until it gets to layer, when it finishes layer 3, it's going to pause. Okay, so at this point I've already got my white filament ready, made a clean end on it. When it stops, I do Z up for 20 millimeter to give me a good little spot. It's going to leave just a little strand, and I just disconnect that while it's warm. Make sure that nothing gets on my print. I put my putty knife in there. Push it down just a little bit, quickly out. This will be a little bit interesting because I'm used to standing right where the camera is. Make sure we've got a nice straight end going in. Like I said, I'm used to standing right where the camera is. And I gotta hurry because eventually everything will unlock and just the slightest movement will make it move. I think it may have moved. We'll find out. So now I just run 20 millimeters through to get the white going through. It looks like I didn't push it in far enough. There, now it should be. And I'm seeing the white glow in the dark come through. Just pull everything out. And here's where we find out when we hit resume if we moved any. Looks like it hit the same spot, and it looks like it is still just going right on it. Then we do the same steps again. Go up 20, pull the little strand of white off. That one doesn't want to come off. Well, we can yank that off afterwards. So again, put the spatula in to catch anything that might be coming down. I've already got the blue filament cut and prepped. Pull the white out. Run it to get the blue coming out. Pull that out. Hit resume. And when it started, the white layer is when I did the turn the bed off, so it'll take just a second here and then I can pull it out. And then we just pop it off. And there you go. Patriotic. Red, white, and blue. Lucky coin if I can get the camera to focus on it. Not only on the front, but on the side, red, white, and blue. Really simple. And later on tonight, I'm gonna print up like 8 or 9 of those. That's how I do my 3-color printing with the ROBO R1 Plus and mattercontrol.